Okay, so what you see here is the Apollo Brewery, one of the sections of this is the Heljan Brewery, and it's time to redo it. It's been sitting out there for a long time, and these windows here are just not clear enough to look through. And they've got this weird frosted glass on the back that we got to get rid of. We got to do something. So I'm going to take them all out and I'm going to redo this whole structure. Fortunately, I used goop when I put this together. And so as you can see here, I've got a simple shim right here. And I can take this guy apart just like that. And hopefully I can take apart all those windows. The windows are going away. That glass is going away. We're going to design new windows, 3D print window frames, and we're going to put clear glass on the back because then we're going to add a lighting system. And I have a good idea. We're going to use all SMDs, and that way you can see the inside of this thing perfect, which is what we want. That's where we're at. And we're gonna redo all this, and this is a great project. Today is the first day of winter. It is snowing right now. It's been snowing since 6:30 in the morning, and today's the first day of real winter. So let's do something with this guy, and let's get this guy here. Let's get him. See that? And goop. Oh yeah. Oh nice. Everything's gooped. Oh, we did a good job when we did this. Because everything's gooped, that means we can take it all out and we can redo and replace everything we need to do.